Lawn diseases can come with a variety of visual cues: discoloration, patches of dead grass, and even mushrooms. These diseases can rapidly spread and kill an entire lawn, so in this video, we'll go over how to spot different lawn diseases and how to control them so your lawn stays healthy throughout the season. To shop the products in this video and learn even more about disease and fungus control, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the links in the description below. There's a wide variety of diseases to look out for, like dollar spot, brown patch, or rust, but by the time you notice the signs, the turf damage will already have been done. By identifying and inspecting for disease and fungi as soon as anything suspicious pops up, we can treat and stop the spread of the disease from affecting any more patches of turf. Be sure to closely inspect your grass, bushes, trees, ornamentals, and other plants for disease or fungi. The common signs include lesions in the leaves or grass blades, discoloration, patches of dead turf, or the presence of mold or mushrooms. Note the affected plants and where the disease is taking place, as you'll use this information to focus your treatment. You can check out the category pages for common lawn diseases on our website for more information. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE, especially when handling chemicals. And please remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. Use a fungicide like Patch Pro as a treatment to stop the growth of lawn diseases and fungus. When applied properly, a fungicide will attack the fungus head-on, leaving the plant alone. Make sure you're applying the correct labeled rate for your treatment to achieve desired results. Depending on the disease you're treating for, you'll use between 0.5 to 4 ounces of Patch Pro per 1,000 square feet. For most general treatments, we recommend using 1 ounce of Patch Pro per 1,000 square feet. Be sure to read the label to get the exact amount you need. First, determine your treatment area's square footage by multiplying the area's length by its width. With a pump sprayer, fill the tank halfway with water and add the proper amount of Patch Pro. Close the sprayer and agitate the solution to ensure an even distribution. Open the sprayer again and fill it with water up to the 1 gallon line. Then seal the sprayer and shake once more to keep the product dispersed. Evenly broadcast the entire solution across your treatment area. Be sure to spray to the point of wet and not run off. Allow the product to dry completely before watering or mowing down the lawn, but if you know the disease is soil-borne, you may water in the product. Patch Pro has a residual of about 30 days, and we recommend monthly treatments to keep your lawn fit to fight disease. Do not go over the maximum annual rate of 16 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet or 5.4 gallons per acre. As an alternative product, you can use Systemic Fungicide RTS. This product is simple to use and contains the same active ingredient as Patch Pro, so it can be used for similar applications. Be aware that Systemic Fungicide RTS comes pre-mixed in a lower concentration. This will restrict your ability to have varying concentrations to treat and prevent more diseases on more varying plant types. Systemic Fungicide RTS should only be used as a preventative measure or at the very first signs of disease. An effective strategy you can use to protect your lawn from diseases and fungi is to maintain its health and keep it strong. By taking proper care of your grass, it's more capable of fighting off disease when it comes around, thus halting the spread of the disease. Reduce conducive conditions in which lawn diseases tend to thrive. Lawn diseases will form in periods of prolonged moisture. Trim trees to reduce shade and encourage water evaporation. Rake and dethatch your lawn to remove debris and aerate your soil. This will ensure that fertilizers and irrigation will reach deeper into your soil, thus strengthening your grass to fight off disease. Be sure to mow your grass to the proper height. Tall grass encourages deeper root growth and strengthens your lawn. You want your grass to be about 3 to 4 inches in height, so adjust your mower accordingly. Also, take some time to make sure your mower is in good shape. The oil should be changed at least once a year, and the blades should be sharpened regularly. Keep up with a proper fertilizing schedule. By keeping nitrogen levels stable and laying fertilizers high in potassium, you'll maintain a strong lawn that's better equipped to fight disease. Finally, make sure you start watering your lawn properly. Your lawn needs 1 to 1.5 inches of water every week, whether that's through rainfall or irrigation. Water your lawn once a week on the same day every morning. It's better to water your grass deeply once a week than to do it a little every day. Deep watering will encourage stronger roots, whereas shallow watering will create a weaker root system that's more susceptible to disease. Lawn diseases can ruin entire lawns if left unchecked, but you can control them yourself with these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn. These products will help you get control of your lawn disease, and we offer same-day shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.